Wondering what the heck I'm doing, guys. I'm collecting little chunks of oak. This big. Stuff like this. This is what I'm collecting right now. So if I got it laying on the ground, I pick it up. I used to cut a lot of limbs here, so I got some stuff on the ground and I just cut up a limb. So I put in there. So I'm going to get a few more. Ah! Piss ants. They're biting. They're everywhere. Ah. The hell? Oh yeah, come on. They bite. Ah! Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Whew, these sting. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry, and I'm doing something today I've always wanted to do, and one of my goals here in the lumber yard is to not have any waste. I use my sawdust as mulch in my gardens. I amend my soils with it, put it in my sprinkle in my food plots at the end of the year, then disc it in, stuff like that. Bark, pretty much with bark's the only thing I don't. I often burn the bark in here. The slabs, I use 100% of the slabs as firewood. As you've been seeing, I've been splitting them up. So if we don't waste anything, you know, we get more for our dollar maybe. So one of my thoughts is I always wanted to make lump charcoal, and I've never made lump charcoal before. If you haven't bought lump charcoal, it's rather pricey now. Actually, everything's pricey. So if we can be more self-reliant, I think it's a good thing. So maybe this will inspire you to give it a try. So what do I have in here? I just have little chunks of oak, and I used hardwood because I'm going to use it as cooking on, and so I don't have any softwood in here. So I have this filled to the top with pieces like this. I'm going to put it, everything's in this galvanized can. Lid goes down good. I have 5 3/8 holes in the bottom to let the gas out. We don't want the gas to build up in here, and we don't want to create an explosion, so we have to have it vent off somehow. I suspect this lid's loose enough for it to come out, but I want to make sure, and I put some holes in the bottom. Maybe I put too many holes in, and I'm going to introduce oxygen into this container, and it won't turn out. But we'll see. We'll see. What's your thoughts? Is it going to turn out? You need 3 things. There's 3 things required for a burn: oxygen, heat, and a fuel source. We're taking the oxygen out of here, and we have just the fuel source and heat. So we're going to put this in here, and that's called pyrolysis. We're going to put this in this 55-gallon drum, build a fire around it, and the theory is it gets hot around it and bakes the wood. and drives off all the gases and moisture out of the wood, and all you're left with is pure carbon at the end. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to place this in here, put it up, set it right on the bottom, center it, and then stuff lumber and kindling and sticks all the way around it and light it. I have a chimney that will go on top of it. So we'll go. I believe they call this a retort, R-E-T-O-R-T system. So we're going to do a little paralysis, a little science experiment. Let's do this. All right. You can see I have equal distance all the way around. So we're going to put some light kindling up here. Yeah, split that way. It's getting late in the afternoon today. So I got most of the spaces filled. It's pretty packed in here. As you can see, yeah. That'll work. So I'm going to put some blocks on it. And we have a chimney stack. So it'll look something like this. We just had a nice little rainstorm roll through. And it looks like we're in the clear for the day. So I'm going to light this up right now. And we'll see how it goes. There we go. Let's see if this will stay lit. So we've been going for about 45. Let's see if I even hit the play button or record button. I did. I doubt myself more times than not. We're going at 45 minutes. The smoke is clearing up, but I know I have some green wood in there. And we also have all that smoke or moisture coming out of the lump charcoal or the blocks inside the retort. So this is an old burn barrel I had. Way I understand it, you're supposed to have the holes on the bottom. I have a bunch of holes on the side too. Yeah, I have holes that go 3 rows of holes, that looks like it. But I have a bunch of holes on the bottom. There it goes, it's clearing up. So we'll see what happens. A few hours from now we'll come back. Well, probably tomorrow morning we'll come back and when this is all cooled off, open it up. Because if you open it up too early, what will happen is you'll introduce oxygen into the retort and that wood would ignite. that's in there. We're trying to burn off all the volatiles, the moisture, and all the oils out of the wood and just leave pure carbon. Lump charcoal. You could also make biochar this way. I've done that before on the ground. Put a big pile of brush, get it all burning, then hose it all down before it all goes away. You get some real nice biochar. So, let's see what this looks like tomorrow, guys. It's the next day, guys. And it's cold out here. We're gonna look at it. It's all cooled off. What do you think? I'm gonna grab, well, let me get these off. I'll grab a pair of gloves before I get in there. Let me grab my gloves. There's not much ash in here. Oh, I think it turned out, guys. Oh, yeah, it did. Very nice. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go get this weighed, guys. I'm gonna go put it on my meat scale and see how much we have. There you have it, guys. 16 pounds, 6 ounces. So I suspect the box is about a pound. So 15 pounds. I'm really happy.
Looking forward to trying this. Am I gonna take a bite? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought there's something in there. That might be one of the best burgers I've ever cooked.
It's really good.
Wow, I can taste that charcoal.
So can I.